Hi friends, welcome to Tbsp kitchen. Today I will show you how to make kulfi. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients to make the kulfi. 1 liter fresh milk. Here I have 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder, elaichi powder, 1 tablespoon sugar. You can add more sugar if you require it more sweet. 200 grams of milk made and kulfi molds and aluminium foil. Now in a pan we'll add the milk. We'll allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Now we'll add the sugar and the green cardamom powder and continuously stirring. We'll cook the milk for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now we'll add the condensed milk. Again we'll stir continuously for another 10 minutes. Our mixture is ready. This should be the thickness of the milk. Now we allow it to cool down and then we'll fill it in the molds. Our kulfi mixture is cooled down. Now we'll fill it in the molds. All our molds are filled with the kulfi mixture. Now we'll cover it with the foil. And with the help of a knife, we'll make small holes. And now we'll pierce the ice cream sticks. We'll refrigerate it for 8 to 9 hours or overnight. Our homemade kulfi is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.